If you have this, old newspapers, watercolors or food coloring or markers, brushes or foam brushes or sponges, old sponges work fine, a container of water, scissors, glue or glue stick, and some round objects like plates or jars or cups, a large one, a medium one, a small one, a teeny tiny one, and any other sizes in between that you want to use, you can make this. Let's get started. First, you need to add some color to the newspaper. If you have watercolors or markers, add some water to the newspaper first and let it soak in. Then brush on the watercolors or draw with the markers. It will make a washy color look. The more water, the more color will soak in. To use the food coloring, add a bit of water to a small glass. Then add a few drops of food coloring. Paint with one of the brushes. Now let it dry completely. It may take a while. You may want to do something else while you're waiting. I recommend reading. An ebook from your local library is a good start. Is it dry? Great. Now comes the cool part. We make the flowers. Got your round things? Good. Time to trace. Keep tracing. Use all the sizes. Ready to cut? Where are those scissors? There you are. Cut out all the circles. Amazing cutting. Now lay down your largest circle. Put a little glue in the middle and add the next largest circle. Keep putting glue in the middle of each circle and adding another until all the circles are glued down, from largest to smallest. It needs a little something. I know, a squish. Beautiful. What will you do with your flower? What else can you make from stuff you have around the house? Use your imagination and see what you can make. Check out the websites in the description below for more great ideas.